Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the future of performance, a topic that's got the entire automotive world buzzing. We're talking about a legend in the making, a car that promises to redefine everything we thought we knew about electric power. Get ready, because we're peeling back the layers on the rumored 2026 BMW M8 electric. Is it real? Will it be the silent power monster we're all hoping for? Let's find out. For decades, the BMW M division has been the gold standard for high-performance German engineering. The letter M is more than just a badge. It's a promise of raw power, precision handling, and an exhilarating driving experience. From the iconic M1 to the latest M3 and M5, these cars have dominated racetracks and captured the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. The M8, in its current form, is the pinnacle of this Lagusia's stunning blend of luxury, style, and brute force. But as the automotive landscape shifts dramatically towards electrification, the biggest question on everyone's mind is, what's next for BMW isn't new to the electric game. They've given us the quirky i3, the sophisticated i4, the futuristic iX, and the luxurious i7. These cars have proven that BMW can build compelling and desirable EVs, but an all-electric M car, a true top-of-the-line performance flagship, that's a whole different ballgame. This isn't just about replacing a gasoline engine with a battery and motors. It's about preserving the soul of M, that intangible feeling of connection between driver, car, and road. Can they do it? The rumors surrounding the 2026 M8 suggest not just going to try, they aiming to shatter all expectations. So, what are the insiders saying? Let's talk about the heart of this beast, the powertrain. The most exciting rumor revolves around a revolutionary quad-motor setup. That's right, for electric motors, one for each wheel. This isn't just for insane acceleration. A quad-motor configuration allows for unprecedented levels of torque vectoring. Imagine a car that can instantly and precisely control the power sent to each individual wheel. This would mean cornering capabilities and agility that are simply impossible for a traditional internal combustion engine car, or even a dual-motor EV. We're talking about a level of grip and control that could feel almost telepathic. And what about the power figures? The numbers being thrown around are staggering. Whispers suggest a combined output of over 1,300 horsepower. Let that sink in. 1,300 horsepower. That would make the electric M8 one of the most powerful road cars ever produced, capable of pinning you to your seat with a ferocity that few have ever experienced. The 0 to 60 time could dip well below the 2.5-second mark, putting it in the same league as the most exclusive hypercars on the planet. This isn't just fast, it's a paradigm shift in what we consider performance. It's a silent monster, ready to unleash its fury at the slightest touch of the pedal. Of course, power is nothing without control, and that includes braking and endurance. To handle this immense power, the M8 Electric would need a state-of-the-art battery. BMW has been developing its next-generation Neue Klasse platform, which will feature advanced cylindrical battery cells. These new batteries promise not only greater energy density, meaning more range, but also significantly faster charging speeds. We could be looking at a real-world range of over 350 miles, and the ability to add 150 miles of range in just 10 minutes. This would address two of the biggest concerns for performance EV buyers: range anxiety and long charging stops. The M division would also undoubtedly develop a bespoke regenerative braking system, allowing for one-pedal driving and recouping massive amounts of energy to feed back into the battery during spirited driving. Now, let's talk design. An electric M8 needs to look the part. While official designs are under wraps, we can expect a dramatic low-slung silhouette that screams performance even when standing still. It will likely build upon the sleek Grand Tourer proportions of the current 8 Series, but with a futuristic twist. Think more aggressive aerodynamics, a reinterpreted kidney grille that houses sensors instead of cooling radiators, and signature M details like flared wheel arches and quad exhaust outlets, or perhaps a futuristic diffuser in their place. The design will need to be a balancing act, unmistakably a BMW M car, yet clearly a product of the electric future. It needs to be both elegant and intimidating. Inside, the cabin will be a high-tech cockpit focused on the driver. We can anticipate a minimalist design dominated by large, curved displays, running BMW's latest iDrive system. But being an M car, it won't be a sterile, buttonless environment. Expect physical controls for critical driving functions, a chunky M steering wheel with signature red preset buttons, and deeply bolstered carbon fiber bucket seats. The materials will be a mix of sustainable luxury and lightweight performance composites like carbon fiber and Alcantara. It will be a space that makes you feel connected to the machine, blending cutting-edge technology with the tactile sensations that define a true driver's car. One of the biggest challenges for an electric M car is sound. The roar of a V8 engine is a huge part of the M experience. So, how do you replace that? BMW has been working with renowned film composer Hans Zimmer to create unique digital soundscapes for their EVs. For the M8 Electric, we can expect something truly special. Not a fake engine noise, but a powerful, futuristic sound that rises and falls with your throttle input, amplifying the sensation of speed and power. It would be a new kind of soundtrack for a new era of performance, designed to stir the emotions, just as a classic engine would. But will all this technology and power come at the cost of the driving feel? This is the core of the debate. Can a heavy, silent, all-wheel drive electric car ever truly replicate the raw, analog feel of a rear-wheel drive, V8-powered M8? The M Division's engineers are keenly aware of this. Their challenge is to use technology not to numb the experience, but to enhance it. The instantaneous torque, the infinitely adjustable torque vectoring, and the low center of gravity all present opportunities to create a car that is even more engaging and capable than its predecessors. It won't feel the same, but the goal is for it to feel better, more precise, more responsive, and more thrilling in a completely new way. So, when can we actually expect to see this silent monster on the road? The timeline points towards a reveal around 2025. With the car hitting showrooms as a 2026 model, it will be positioned as the absolute halo car for BMW, a showcase of everything the brand is capable of. Naturally, this level of technology and performance will come with a very steep price tag, likely starting well north of $200,000, placing it firmly in supercar territory. The 2026 BMW M8 Electric represents more than just a new model, it's a statement of intent. It's BMW's declaration that the soul of performance driving will not only survive in the electric era, but thrive. It says the M Division, proving that they can adapt and innovate without losing the essence of what makes their cars so special. It's a bold, ambitious project, and if the rumors are true, it could be a game changer. It might just be the car that convinces even the most die-hard gasoline purists that the future is not only electric, but also incredibly exciting. What do you guys think? Are you excited about the prospect of a 1,300 horsepower electric M8? Or do you think the soul of M will be lost without an engine? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of BMW, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.